Haka kendai tarik naiwieng ka Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh Myntri ki kam pynroi ya ka rap ka riang kala plie paidbah ya ka DBTS Expo 2024 ban pynkut ya ka jingrakhe dap shispa snem Centenary jaga Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ka shlem hikai trekam naga bynta ki samla ka Jylla bat ka thain Lam Mihngi jaga ri India baroh kawei. Hakani ka DBTS Expo 2024 lapan i paidbah abat deru artat ekitiar kitar balasna bat sandur daki samla pule hakani ka skul hikai trekam. Hakapor no pai sngi lapan long ya ka jingle buram mi ki megi kpa jogi khana skul St Anthony's LP School. Daki jingshar bat jingroi babonjat lapan i ki sab jong kini ki khana ret. Urawan padar Paul ol penro lingkot SDB Shillong Provincial ulalong ukong san haka cultural program haka ba ladon lang kik meki kpa jogi khana kinong hikai bat kinong penyat ya kani ka skul.
James, James just reached from Mizoram, from Long Thlai. The fathers the brothers, the sisters, the teachers, the close collaborators, the students, and above all, my dear parents. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time to be together today, this evening, to celebrate the centenary of the existence of Don Bosco Technical School. That is a Parents' Day, but the children really perform so well. I would like to ask or request all of you, the parents, the confreres who are here, and all those our friends who are here. Let us give a big hand to all the teachers and the students of St. Andrews LP School. Very congratulations to you, my dear teachers and my dear students. I know the hard work of the teachers who work too much, really, very, very much, right from so many days, especially right from the nursery, KG, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5 students, and helping them, assisted them, and taught them how to perform on the stage. Yet it's for them the first time to perform, but they did it well. I really congratulate to all of them. My dear parents of St. Anthony's LP School, it is a momentous occasion that marks 100 years of educational excellence, character building, and the nurturing of young minds here in St. Andrews LP School. As we reflect on the past, we also look forward to the bright future that lies ahead for our beloved school and its students here in Don Bosco Technical School. This celebration is not just about the institution itself, the Don Bosco Technical School, in which St. Andrews LP School is under that. It's about the countless lives that have been shaped and molded within its walls. Your children, our dear parents, our students, are an integral part of this legacy of Don Bosco Technical School. Together, we have witnessed their growth, accomplishment, and the development of the unique personalities. As parents, you play a crucial role in the success of our students. Your support, encouragement, and active involvement have contributed to the vibrant community that Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, is today, in which St. Andrews LP School too. We express our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering commitment to your child's education. The centenary celebrations are a time for us to come together as a community. That's why, my dear parents, you are here. And today, this evening, is your day. To reminisce about the past, celebrate the present, and envision the future. Let us take pride in the achievements of our St. Anthony's LP School and the achievements of our children who are the torchbearers of tomorrow. Throughout the centuries year, we have planned a series of events, activities, and gatherings to commemorate the milestone. We invite you to join us in these celebrations, as your presence adds to the warmth and spirit of the Don Bosco family. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Here's to a century of education, growth, and success. May the next 100 years be filled with even greater accomplishments and milestones. Thank you, my dear parents, once again, and happy peace to all of you, and a big and warmest congratulations to Don Bosco Technical School, in which St. Anne's Elementary School is under this institution, and best wishes for the future. God bless you all.